Hello, I will teach you how to install Odis today. After downloading this folder from the link in the description below, just follow these steps and all will be done. Open the folder, mount this ISO image, double-click on Offboard Diagnostic Setup Service 11. Click Next, Next, Next. Then we will search for license file. Go to your folder, Patch, License, open it, then just keep pressing Next. After setup is completed, successfully click on Finish. Now we will have to activate it. Just copy these two files, plugins and Offboard Diagnostic Launcher, and paste it on your Odis location files, and replace everything. Now go to your desktop and run as Administer Odis shortcut. After successful running your Odis, go to the downloaded folder and mount the third ISO file named Post Setup 11. Then we will look for the location of the configuration data. Click on Select Local Directory and find Post Setup folder on the mounted ISO file. Click Next, select your language, then Next. Keep forwarding until it starts downloading the database. You might wait longer than I am because I'm gonna speed up the operation. After the downloading process is completed without any errors, that means you are ready to start using your Odis 11. I will restart my laptop now and get back to you soon. After restarting your laptop, just run your Odis 11 shortcut on the desktop. Congratulations, your Odis 11 is perfectly installed. You just have to install your device driver, VAS 6154, OPENPORT, SCANMATIK, VXDIAG devices. Everything will match perfectly. Now please, if you appreciate my efforts, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This video is recorded by Team Cartooning Setup. See you in the next one.